Water. Water supports life, and by cycling through the environment, it rejuvenates it. JFE Engineering oversees the construction of various facilities, such as those for water and sewage, which form a vital part of urban infrastructure, and pipelines for transporting huge volumes of water. Water and sewage services in Metro Manila have been privatized, and Maynilad Water Services Incorporated has been providing the services in the West Zone. To ensure 100% coverage by the sewage system by 2037, Maynilad has been rapidly constructing its sewage treatment facility. The population density is high, particularly in urban Metro Manila, and it has been difficult to acquire the large piece of land necessary. Talayan village of Quezon City in particular is packed with houses, and only a small area of land was available.
We talked to several technology providers, and one of them is JFE. During that time, I could still remember the JFE engineers were competent and able to convince us that they could do the project.
JFE Engineering proposed a variety of technologies to make effective use of the small piece of land, and succeeded in building a sewage treatment plant with a capacity of 15,400 cubic meters per day, using the conventional activated sludge process on a mere 1,800 square meters of land. This is the adaptability, technological power, and construction capability of JFE Engineering that enable it to respond to a variety of conditions, including the designing of 2-layer and 3-layer secondary sedimentation tanks.
The strength of JFE is really their capability to adapt to the environment, the working environment, and also maybe they have this opportunity for them to work with the local government unit as well. And maybe one of the most important really is the expertise of JFE.
Whenever we have problems, we could easily consult with them. And we appreciate that a lot.
The company is currently involved in the construction of one of Maynilad's biggest sewage treatment facilities, with a capacity of 76,000 cubic meters per day, in Parañaque City, making it JFE Engineering's 29th sewage treatment plant to be built in Manila.
JFE was able to deliver what is our objective on the project that was given to them. Their expertise and their experiences in the past could be used in this specific project, and hope moving forward we can be able to work with them again in future projects for Maynilad.
Making use of the technological know-how and competitiveness cultivated in Manila, JFE Engineering is working to build a solid track record in sewage treatment plant construction in Sri Lanka and Vietnam. And the company plans to continue expanding this business centered on Asia. In the past, the sludge that remained at the end of sewage treatment was buried at final disposal sites as industrial waste. Sludge from 5 sewage treatment plants in Yokohama City is brought to the Hokubu Sludge Treatment Center, where it is reduced to 1/400th of its original weight and treated so that it is clean and gives off no foul odors. On the other hand, effective use is made of the digestion gas generated in the huge egg-shaped digestion tank to generate electricity using a gas engine.
施設の名称が昔は汚泥処理センターって言ってたんですけど、今は汚泥資源化センターということで、下水も本当に有効な資源だというような気持ちでやってますので、やはりせっかくのものですから資源として有効活用したいなと思っておりますね。
Around 32 million kilowatt hours of electricity is generated, equivalent to the amount consumed by 10,700 general households. It is used to supply power not only within the facility, but it is also transmitted to other nearby facilities and sold through the grid. The mechanical mixer in the digestion tank at the core of this facility uses JFE Engineering's unique technology, and the company has so far received orders for over 100 of them.
少ない動力でうまく撹拌できますし、なおかつ下の方が結構斜面が急になってますので、泥が溜まりにくいというようなことで、普通だと浚渫っていうね、浚渫と言いまして、下に溜まった泥をかき上げて、それで外に出したりとかするんですけども、そのようなことも全然いらないということで、メンテナンスにあんまり手間がかからないとか、そのような特徴があります。
JFE Engineering was not only placed in charge of designing and construction, but it also oversees the overall management of this facility. The company will meet the growing demand in today's recycling society for effective use of resources, mitigation of the environmental burden, and reductions in cost through unique technologies. Pipelines transport huge volumes of water for people living in cities. But shifting fault lines during earthquakes may rupture them, causing leaks. Leaks require a long time to repair, and they cause great damage to cities. Using unique technology, JFE Engineering has developed steel pipes that are capable of withstanding large seismic shifts, known as SPF, to ensure the stable supply of water. Conventional water pipes are unable to withstand large shearing forces, causing them to rupture. JFE Engineering's SPF has deformation nodes, which are able to stop ruptures to prevent leakage through the compensation of deformation by its buckling pattern sections. Their performance has also been proven through tests carried out at Cornell University in the US. SPF won high appraisal from the Kobe City Waterworks Bureau, which experienced the Great Hanshin Awaji earthquake, and the pipes were used in 2012 to ensure seismic resistance. JFE Engineering provides technology to ensure reliability in the event of natural disasters, propping up the safety and security of human society moving forward.